Hey folks, I just wanted to make a video on this cool tool right here. And what this is for, it's for when I'm machining long pieces. You know, when you have to put the piece through the back of your lathe bore. Sometimes it's kind of hard to put your piece into the jaws because they end up hitting the back of the jaws, or you know, you kind of have to aim in between the jaws, or you have to open up your jaws all the way, which is just too much work sometimes. And in this case, I'm machining this guy right here, 52 inches. There you go. 52¼ inches long, and I have to take it in and out of the board quite a bit. You know, I could put it in from the front, but I have to move the tailstock back and forth. You know, it's kind of a lot of work. Hands get tired. So, made this guy to fit in right behind the jaws. I could just close the jaws right now, and this guy right here just helps the shaft slide right in between the jaws. It's tapered, made out of plastic, which is probably not the best material. Sometimes it gets caught in the taper right here. Steel would probably be better, but stops right there where the lathe, where the back of the chuck stops, and it goes in between that and the jaws, just like that. Now I can just like that. Hope that helps. Thank you for watching.